Hello YouTubers, and welcome to the DealsPrime.com review channel. Today we're going to be doing a review, and it's for the Pipo W4s. And this is a dual operating system or dual boot unit. You can see on the left it supports Windows 8.1, and on the right it supports Android 4.4, so dual boot. And it's an 8-inch tablet PC. And in this review we're just going to check out the box specs, the accessories, and then we're going to show you the settings of the unit and do some web browsing. I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe to the DealsPrime.com review channel, and we have other dual boot devices under our navigation menu. Under tablet PC there should be tablet PC, and then you can shop by OS. We'll show we'll show you that in a second. Now there should be a link to this W4s inside of our YouTube video description. Now real quick, it has an 8-inch IPS screen with 1280 by 800 pixel resolution screen, Intel CPU, and it is the Z3735f CPU, and that should clock in at about 1.83 gigahertz. 2 gigabytes RAM, and you can see here this is an upgraded 64 gigabyte ROM version, black. So again, dual boot. Front camera is 2 megapixel, back camera is 5 megapixel. So I'm really excited about this unit. Pipo also came out with the W3f, and that I believe was a 10-inch tablet. And again, that's on our YouTube video description. We'll probably have a playlist that is just like that's like a dual boot playlist or whatever. So real quick, let's just show you the accessories, and then we'll show you the build, and then we'll just go ahead and show you the tablet. So one thing is that it will not, when you order from DealsPrime, it will not come with this inner carton thing, as we're going to use a nice layer of bubble wrap to protect the screen during shipment. So it comes with a data cable for connecting to the computer or the wall charger, and you can see the wall charger is a Euro style plug. And when you order from DealsPrime and you're from Europe, Australia, or the UK, will come with your country's power plug adapter, free, only from DealsPrime.com. And I believe this is a 5-volt 2-amp charger. Yep, 5-volt, 2000 milliamp. And let's see what else. OTG cable, so you can use this to connect a pen drive, keyboard, mouse, anything USB, keyboard case. Okay, and when you order from DealsPrime, we'll actually include a free YouTube promo gift. The catch is that you have to ask for it in the comments or the order note section during checkout. So you can see the comments or the order note section once you add the W4s to your shopping cart, and then you click proceed to checkout, and then you'll see our shopping cart. So the gift is a 8-inch neoprene case, nice $10 value. And again, we'll only include this if you ask us to please include the free YouTube promo case, and it's a neoprene case. So we'll only include a nice nice and soft, and it'll protect your tablet, stretchy fabric. Okay, now let's just take a look at the unit, and then we'll delve into the settings. So nice finished plastic, nice and sturdy tablet. And here we can see it has the speaker grill on the back, and it says it has 64 gigabyte etched into it. It has CE, FCC, ROHS markings. Supports HDMI. Now let's just check out the ports. So we have a mic hole, micro SD card slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, micro HDMI, and a micro USB. On the back we can see the 5 megapixel camera. Here we have the power/sleep button, volume up and volume down. So pretty straightforward design. 2 megapixel camera here on the front. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So let's just check out the operating system, the settings, all that good stuff. Again, I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe to the DealsPrime review channel. And since we're on DealsPrime, we can actually kind of show you, I can kind of show you, I'm not sure if you saw that, but you can shop by the operating system here. Once if you do click into there, you should be able to see it on navigation without clicking in if you have like a mouse or something. So let's see. Anyways, it's okay. So maybe we need to make sure that this is updated or whatever. But you can see that there's many different ways you can shop for the tablet PC. So and you can just do a search for Z4s, and our internet our router may be having a little bit of an issue. So let's see, W4s, sorry. And by the time that you see this, we should have this uploaded. So this is a totally new unit. We're probably going to be the first ones on YouTube to have this. So again, thanks to Pipo for getting it to us first. So let's just check out the settings, and well, actually, since we're already doing web browsing, we can just maybe open up a couple other tabs. Check out the Intel CPU. Okay, so nice and fast. Okay, so nice and fast on the CPU front. You can see the nice wide viewing angle. So IPS screens, they basically have a 170-degree viewing angle. Okay, now let's go into settings, then we'll actually do a boot so you guys can see the dual boot in action. I know that's probably a lot of you guys want to see that. I believe that there was a W4 released before, but I don't think we actually had it on our site. But that's only a Windows version, so that's why on the back of the unit, and actually here you see the Windows logo. It's because that was a yeah, we didn't actually list that one, but it's basically the same build. And again, if you're looking for a Windows only tablet, you can probably hopefully see it over here somewhere. It'll have the operating system. Okay, so let's go to settings. And just make sure that this display is all the way bright. Yeah. So HDMI. Check out About Tablet. So you can see the firmware version here was last updated on March 12th. So truly a new release. Language and input, so this does support multi-language, and new order from DealsPrime, we will make sure that the tablet is set to English, but you can usually change it to your own language or the preferred language. And storage, so this is a 64GB unit, and I believe that most of the ROM is actually on the Windows side of the tablet. So looks like an 8GB on the 8GB on the Android version, with about 4.2GB free. And we'll just go into apps just to see how that's broken up. So we have 4.3GB free here. Running should show the RAM, so 1.5GB free there and 3.66 megabytes free there. All, again, we can see that there's 4.3 megabytes. So we'll scroll through all the apps. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Let's just go back and check out the icons. So it doesn't look like there is Play Store, so we'll have to figure out what's going on with that, if we can download it or not. Now this is a sample unit, so maybe you know, this is you know, the final unit will have, it probably will have Play Store. So okay, now let's reboot. And I actually have not set up the Windows side of the version, so I'm not sure. It's probably not going to be in English, but again, when you order from DealsPrime, we'll make sure that you do get the English version of the tablet in Windows and in both Windows and in Android. So here you just if you want Android, click the icon on the left. If you want Windows, click this one, and then you press this button, and then it'll boot up in Windows 8.1. It is the full version, or it should be. And again, I haven't checked out the Windows side of the tablet, so we'll just have to see what happens. So again, I think the other dual boot is W3F, not S, W3F. So that's a nice popular tablet as well. So yeah, this is preset to English, so that's a great find there, and it's pretty much, you know, it's not English. That's like 4K. That's like Spanish. Well, it's not Chinese, but yeah, again, we'll make sure that that this is configured to your language, their language. So set to the French settings, and so you can see here there's all these different countries, and I just can't find the United States. So okay, well, yeah, I mean, you can choose your own country and language there. Let's see. We should probably. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty. It's just French there. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that you know, it is actually a dual boot, and again, we'll boot it up in Windows now, and we'll reboot it up in Android real quick, so you can see that. So again, I wanted to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe to the DealsPrime.com review channel, and we'll just wait for this to reboot. And again, there should be a link to this W4s inside of the YouTube video description. Remember that when you do order from DealsPrime, to ask us for the free YouTube promo gift. Looks like if you close it down in Windows, you may just have to press this. If you reboot it, then you may have to repress the button. So that's another thing about this. So boom, just tap that, press the Android robot, and then press the arrow, and it will switch the OS for you. Okay, so you can see the Android logo there, so I'll probably just cut the video short. And remember, like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.